Yeah, so good day. Today I'll show you guys how to trade directly from your TradingView account. You understand? Demo account on TradingView. You understand? So you no longer need to log in onto your MT5 first before you can start learning how to trade, how to paper trade. Now you can just easily just log into your TradingView, sign up, then start using paper trade by TradingView. So what you do after you've gotten the app and everything, you just need to come to your TradingView account. This is your normal chart. You get me? I wanted to sell you aesthetic, but it didn't trigger me. You understand? So you come to your normal chart, you click on this arrow up button here. You click on paper trading. Few steps to get started. You click on connect. Connect. Yeah, it will load automatically. You can see now you've been given $100,000 demo account, equity, realized profit, everything. And so this is a full-fledged account you can use to trade. Now, let's go to how you can use it to trade if you want to trade. Now, we use we use lot size and the rest. So this is the ask for sell, this is the buy. You understand? So now what you do, this is the market limit. If you want to set a limit at a particular region, normal limit. If you want to set your normal limit, this is the unit you want to buy. Then if you want to use market order, click on market, the same thing. This is one lot size. If you want to use a lot size, or you want to use like the same thing, it gives you the figure. One unit is normal, 1 unit is like 100, you understand, plus or minus, you get. Now, if you want to buy, just click on buy. Click on buy. That's it. You bought already. Then this is market execution directly to the market. Then if you want to buy, from the market here, you just click on this thing. You can see sell, then buy. All these ones, they are all limits. You understand? If I click on sell limits, you can see I place the sell limit here. So I can draw my take profit down. You can see the dollar sign is moving along with it. Understand? Then my stop loss, I can draw my stop loss. You can see. Then the same thing, one lot size. You can see the stop loss. You can see the take profit area that I've set up. Just like that, I've placed the limits on this trade. You understand? So that is very, very simple. It's not difficult. It's not difficult. Then if you want to trade manually, just click on this position here. Then just place your orders. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and let me know what video you want me to do next, and I'll try my best to do it for you guys as soon as possible. As soon as possible, I'll try to do it for you guys. That's it. Take care. Now this is I just short this market now. This is for the market order, not the limit. You see, I just short it. Then my limit is still there. My limit has not been triggered yet. You understand? But I just short the market manually. You understand? Then if you want to buy, the same thing, you come to your trade panel, click on buy. Want to say, you click on sell. Want to buy, click on buy. You set your parameters. This is the market now. Market now. This is the price now. Then click on buy. Want to say, click on sell. That if you want to do it manually, but me, I use limits. Or if you want to use sell stop or buy stop, that's it. So anything you want us to do next, just drop it in the comment section, and see you guys in the next video.